Hi, in this video we will start to add the method on picture-in-picture mode change to handle when actually entry on picture-in-picture and where it is missed the state. So to do that, the first thing we're going to do is go to the bottom where is all the overrides methods, and here we're going to start to add on picture-in-picture mode change. And here on picture-in-picture, this boolean will become true or false, depends if we enter in picture or not. Here we're gonna create an if state, and basically we're gonna and if we enter in picture here in future videos, we're gonna add a to do, and here in to do we're gonna add actions. The actions for the receiver. Okay, so we're gonna create later in the next video. We're gonna create a delegate where we sorry, I didn't. It's the receiver. Sorry. So yeah, in the next video we will create a delegate where we will handle all the events from the icons we're gonna include in our picture-in-picture mode window. Okay, and here we're gonna create an else, and it's gonna be exactly the same thing, but then we're gonna remove. Okay, so we're gonna leave this one as it is, so we know in the future videos we will do this one. And now here, what we're gonna do is just get the player view, and we're gonna hide all the controls if we are in picture-in-picture, or we're gonna display it again if we come out of picture-in-picture back to the player. So here we're gonna say is in picture-in-picture mode. Okay, so exactly the same thing. So it just we put here to the opposite. So if we enter picture-in-picture, we will hide, and if we are not in picture-in-picture, then it's gonna display it again. So that's the thing. Another thing is this method is not useful anymore. So we just remove it and remove the method from on resume because we don't gonna need it anymore. Okay, so now all this one is correct. Let's actually try it, and we will see what's going on. Okay, so now we have the video. Sorry, so we have the video here, and then so we see the controls. The controls are there, so we display it. We go to the picture-in-picture backgrounded, and now the controls are not there anymore. Yep, so we back to picture-in-picture, is there again. Back to the, it's perfect. Perfect, cool. Okay, so in the next video, we're gonna start to include the receiver, and we're gonna start to add the actions and icons. See you in the next video.